Hi, my name is Shane with Brandastic, and in today's video, I'll be talking about local SEO. I'll be talking about what it is, how it could help your business, and how you could optimize your website for it. Local SEO is a powerful way to increase your online visibility to customers for businesses with physical locations. Just to get you familiar with how important it is, a statistic shows that between 40 and 50% of all Google searches have local-based intent. These users are using keywords such as near me or best when describing particular keywords that they're looking for near them. With that being said, here are 3 ways you can start optimizing your website for local SEO. Step number 1, claim, verify, and update your Google My Business listing. This is probably the easiest and one of the most beneficial things you could do. When you have a complete GMB listing, this provides users with a better opportunity to find your business within the search results. So let's say you own a pizza shop. When a user types in pizza shops near me, and if you have a complete GMB listing, your business will be shown to that user within that list of pizza shops near them. And Google has what's also called a local 3-pack, whereas when the user, for example, again, types in pizza shops near me, the top 3 locations will show up on the results page. If you have an optimized website as well as an optimized GMB listing, you have a better opportunity to be in that top 3 position. Step number 2, submit your business to reputable and relevant directories. This again is another easy and in most cases a free way to increase your online visibility. Local directories consist of Yelp, the online Yellow Pages, Yahoo Local, and tons of other ones. Those are some of the big players. There are also smaller industry-specific directories you could submit to, but keep in mind when you're submitting to smaller local directories, you want to make sure, like I mentioned, it's relevant and reputable. If you own a flower shop, you wouldn't want to submit your business to a directory that focused on engineering companies. If your site is associated to directories that are less than stellar and are not relevant, Google and other search engines do not like that, and you could possibly get dinged for that. Step number 3, use schema. Schema markup, or structured data, or what's known as semantic vocabulary, is code that you could add to your website, which helps provide better results to the users. One example is that if you're an e-commerce site and you sell products and a user is typing for a product and the result comes up with your product on the page and your page is properly marked up with the proper elements, it's going to show ratings, it's going to show reviews, it's going to show a price, and it's going to provide more content to the user. This also helps Google understand what the page is about, hence semantic vocabulary, rather than just what it says. It does get tedious in the sense that each page has to be marked up, but in the end, it's worth it. In conclusion, make sure to look into optimizing your site for local SEO. Hopefully these tips helped you. Thanks for watching.